good, y'all? It's your boy BM Shoes. I'm here doing a pickup real quick. Look at the fidgets. Doing a pickup. About to pick these kicks up so I can bounce them back for a customer. I'm gonna show y'all what I grabbed. We'll be right back. Just picked these up. My boy went to a rave in these shits. What you doing in these?
Crazy. Going crazy.
This, you said the gym?
Really, nigga? Ain't no way. I just asked Buddy if he was at the gym, and he said crazy. I don't even know how the hell I heard the gym. I don't know what I was thinking about, but that shit is hilarious. I was listening to it as I'm editing it.
Trying to get me caught up with I would never. So what's good, y'all? Y'all can see everything? Oh yeah, I like this view. We gonna have to move this. Pop that back here. Oh, this view is fire. So we're gonna start with the laces. I usually like to take the laces out. Yeah, what's good, y'all? So as you can see, I sped the video up just so you guys wouldn't have to sit here and watch me take out the laces. But I had a whole video for you guys, but my damn phone and every other spot of storage is out. So there will only be a few clips in here, but I'll do my best to explain what I do in each clip and ways that I find beneficial in cleaning. But yeah, I couldn't get you guys the whole video, so just stay tuned and watch what we got here, and I'll explain as much as I can, give every tip that I know so I can help you guys. So yeah. Y'all see these right here? These shits are crazy. I don't know what my boy was doing in them. Look at the right foot, too. He was like, nah, bro, you don't got to clean the insides. I'm like, boy, what? You don't want me to do what with them shits? Sorry, guys. Somebody called me, so I had to cut the video short. But for the laces, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these laces first with, I just use like a Myers hand soap. Clean the laces first. Yeah, I sped this part up too because it's pretty obvious. Just clean the laces, get them clean. I probably go through this procedure like 3 times. So I'll clean them, get all the soap out, clean them again, get all the soap out, clean them again, and then there's a few steps I follow after cleaning them. There's like a sitting procedure I do, and I'm going to show you guys in the next clip. But I just wanted to speed this process up, so I don't got to sit here and watch me clean these damn laces. So yeah, just clean the damn laces. That's simple. I learned. So I'm going to take these laces, drop them in here. And then I'm going to use a little bit of bleach. That's my version a little bit. Let me put the bleach back. Then after I use this bleach, I'm going to go ahead and use some Tide. The guy also said that Tide brings out like the... I ain't never heard this saying, but as I was watching this video, it came to my head. Put your motherfucking pride to the side and use that motherfucking Tide. So yeah, anytime you need to get your laces right, put your pride to the side and use that Tide. The bluer the detergent, the whiter the laces come out. Based on what the guy said. I don't know, it works for me. I can't say it'll work for you, but it works for me. Sit those in there. Let them sit. Put those over here. Those are done. Once I'm done with those, once these sit for like 30 to an hour, I will repeat the cleaning process with like a hand soap or whatever it is that you want to use to clean them, like 3 to 4 times to really remove that bleach in there. So there's no staining or any yellowing or anything. So make sure that you get a good wash on these laces, and it'll bring back that like white factory white. So I'll show you guys the results on that. But now Dry my hands. Make sure you dry your hands, man. Now, see? This is dropping soon too, the yeah. That yeah. It's our own solution. Dropping soon, literally. Just dropped. But this will be dropping soon to the public. Will be for the public. So if you're looking for an affordable, great sneaker cleaner, tap in with us. We'll take care of you. The bottles won't look like this. This is just like a prototype for my at-home. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is get all these suds out. Some of them. So I'm gonna put that yeah on there, and then I'm gonna get to work. Do some scrubbing. Now that I gave that a little scrub, Stanley steamer. Sorry for the camera moving. The steamer's right here. Baby, come back. So yeah, damn steamer is doing whatever it wants to do. Okay, there you go. I guess that's a little better. Sorry guys. So yeah, got this steamer right here. It shouldn't be spraying out that much water. I think it'll be fine though. Hold on. There we go. Maybe not. I'm gonna do this little thing down. I'm gonna hit it again. For me, I just think this works best because it lifts up all the dirt to the top of the surface. And now I can really get in there and give it another scrub. Give that a rinse. We're looking cleaner already. Looking better already. Looking better already. And I got one of these. Hold on my camera. Sorry guys. Got one of these. I got this from New Life Kicks. So I'm not too sure what it is, but I'm not too sure the name, but I know it's for like mesh and whatnot that you don't want to like tear or anything with like hard brushes. So you can use this to really get in there and remove whatever it is you're trying to remove without damaging the material. So I love this product. I'm gonna go to the other side, it's a little harder. Go to the other side. Put some of that yeah. So now, I am going to put this over here. Then I'm gonna do the other one, and once I'm done with the other one, I'm gonna throw all of these in the dryer. So these two insoles and then the laces will go in the dryer, and then I'll start cleaning the shoes. So yeah, we'll be right. Oh, and a quick heads up, I wanted to show you guys. Let me show you this versus this. Let's do a little comparison. Do we see a difference? I didn't clean it.
Oh shit, your boy done turned white. Nah, I'm kidding, guys. That is my fiance. She does all of the repainting, all of the customs, and all of the icing. I don't think I have the patience, honestly, for it. So I leave that up to her. And she does a phenomenal job. As you can see right here, you guys saw the reverse oxidation product, Sneaker Bar. Make sure y'all tap in with them. Their products are amazing. I will put a link in the description below so that you guys can get their products. But yeah, she's icing the midsoles. What that will do for you guys is it will reverse oxidation. So oxidation is just when oxygen hits the surface, it becomes oxidized. So now we're reversing the process. She's going to apply that, rub it in, and then saran wrap it, put it under UV light, boom, ta-da, clean it off after, and then you got your white midsole. You can do that for like icy bottoms, if you want to re-ice 11s and shoes along those lines. But I couldn't get the video of me cleaning the shoe uploaded, so I'm just going to explain to you guys what I did while wifey's icing the midsole of the shoe. So first and foremost, I always like to clean the bottom of the shoe first. The reason why I do that is to prevent cleaning the top of the shoe and then making my way to the bottom. And as I'm cleaning the bottom, everything from the bottom gets back on the top. So I kind of like to work my way from the bottom up. So I applied the Yeah solution. I use a stiff bristle brush, and I clean in all of the crevices. Scrub, 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 scrub. And then after that, I use the steamer that you guys saw earlier to get in those tighter areas, the crevices. That steam gun will really remove that dirt and get in those tough areas. So I love it. It's very, it prevents you from wasting a lot of time. Prevents you from wasting a lot of time. So after that, I make my way to the uppers. I apply that Yeah solution, which is that get you yeah. Apply the Yeah solution, clean the uppers, dry them. Then I work my way to the tongue. You guys saw in the earlier section of the video, I was cleaning the insoles, and I used that little pad that you guys saw. I used that on the tongue too, and I applied the solution, cleaned it off, steamed it, and then after I steamed it, I ran it under water to remove all of the solution out, and then I let it dry. After I let them bad boys dry, they were looking A1 crispy. I threw some paper that I purchased from Home Depot. I buy like bulk paper and just stuff it. That I buy from Home Depot, stuffed it, and them boys was looking good. We good in the hood, baby. So yeah, I stuffed them. After I stuffed them, we were doing a lot of research and ran into this product called liquid mink oil, and it is for leather. It's like it conditions leather, kind of gives it back that factory look. So I took some liquid mink oil and applied it to a paintbrush. And then I applied it to all the leather spots on the sneaker, which is most of the shoe, majority of the upper. I applied it, let it sit overnight, and then after I let it sit overnight, boy, them bad boys came out good. So yeah, in this next clip, you guys will see that. I appreciate everyone who's watching this. Make sure you, what's the slogan? What's the slogan? What is it? Comment, like, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you do all of those. I don't care about the order, but please do all of those. But yeah, in this next clip, you guys will see the results, baby. Yes, sir. So, yep, we did a clean on these. Y'all remember seeing them. Just showed y'all that before. We only did a clean. I iced the midsole too. He didn't ask for it, but I did ice it. Use some liquid mink oil to bring this leather back. There's a stain on the lace that I couldn't get off. But other than that, everything else came out pretty good. So yeah, smell good. If you're allergic, let me know. You want to get a dryer sheet? Do is this one out the way. Magic. Make your magic. Go ahead, Bubble. Yep, tight and factory. So yeah, boom. Plastic wrap. Then, once we do that, we finish the shoes off. Each shoe gets this too. Finish the shoe off with a stamp of approval. Put it wherever, it doesn't matter. It's a stamp of approval. Boom. Make sure y'all go follow us on IG. But I'm going to leave y'all with a quote of the day. Do what you love what you do, bet on yourself, and double down. Peace.